This is a review of mist-free smart humidifier. Here is the user manual. It talks about how you're gonna use it and what's in the box. Package content: humidifier main unit, filter and bracket, water tank, power adapter, user manual, and Provirtec Smart thermo-hygrometer. Let's open it and see what we have. User manual, hygrometer with the batteries. Here is two-sided sticker, and you can just put it over there and you can hang it like that. Here we have the adapter. Here is the humidifier. Here is the top part. This is on and off button right there. This button is humidification level settings in auto mode right there, and there is sleep mode, and there is UV light right there, and ambient light, you can turn it on there, and auto shut off timer right there, and this one is the filter reset. Make sure when you close it, these arrows are supposed to be aligned each other. And here is the maximum level. Let's open it. This is the filter. We're gonna remove the sticker. It says wash filter before first use and filter installation. Let's take this out. There's nothing here. We're just gonna put the water inside. And let's put the filter there. This is for the cleaning. You can clean it like that. Let's go ahead and put it. Let's put the filter. And then make sure this area is supposed to be aligning. Otherwise it's not gonna work. Let's go ahead and plug it. It is right over here. Let's turn it on. You see there is LED screen. You can change the level of the humidification. There are 3 levels, and also timer: 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and at most 12 hours. And you can also put it in the sleep mode. When you clean the filter, you need to press this and hold it, and it's just gonna reset it. Here is the button for automatic. Let's go ahead and press that, and now it's automatic. I'm gonna go ahead and put the batteries in it and then install the application. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in it. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it and use it on my iPad. I installed the application, and we're just gonna go ahead and add the device, humidifier, and mist-free smart humidifier. Right now it says the Wi-Fi icon flashes. Use Wi-Fi, and now you can see, all right, connection is successful, and pair a device right there. Make sure you're resetting this. Just press it and hold it around 3 seconds, and it's gonna see next, and now it's connected. It is updating the latest firmware. Let's go ahead and check the application, and right now it is 68 Fahrenheit degrees, and the humidity is 49. Let's turn it on. Now it is auto, or you can lower it, and you can put it in a sleep mode, nighttime. You see, you're able to change the colors. cleanse, baby, aroma. You can also control it manually. There is smart tab, and you can create automation when all conditions are met, like weather changes, timer, status changes. It's gonna execute, then you can save it and you can use it later. There's batch control, and there's also a timer. Let's go ahead and check this out. It is updating the latest firmware. What you see here is the humidity level, and you can see the temperature for the house, 78 Fahrenheit degrees, and humidity 45%. You can check day and week, month and year. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights. Now you can see it like that, and you can change the colors. Green, blue, purple. Alright. You can change the humidification level, and you can also make it auto. I'm gonna put the humidification level 55% to 85%. Now it's 46%, and it's gonna go up to 85%. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because you can control it on your iPad, and you can keep track of everything with this. And also it has auto option, then there is UV lights, and you can change the color if you want. And there are some scenes, nighttime, plants, baby, aroma, and also you can do the automation